What's up, YouTube? Back again with another Bitcoin analysis, and in today's video we're just going to be covering Bitcoin's daily price swing on the 1 hour chart. As you can see, Bitcoin for the past couple weeks out of the month of March has been trading around that 69,000 support level. Today Bitcoin is slightly took a small dump to about the 68,300 level. There's a lot of news in the macros pertaining to Bitcoin's volatile swings. There's the war going on in Iran and the Clarity Act. That's all playing a role in the price swings in Bitcoin. Hopefully, Bitcoin can continue to trade around that 69,000 support level that I've drawn right there. As you can see with the orange arrows, Bitcoin can either continue to trade sideways. Bitcoin can either go up, take a slight pump, or Bitcoin can continue to trade down. It all depends on the macro events. But let me know your thoughts on this particular pattern. Do you think it's a good pattern to be drawn? But I'm going to show you guys the 4 hour chart to give you guys another comparison of another chart pattern that I've drawn, just to show you guys a side-by-side view that there's many patterns to be drawn in the charts of Bitcoin, depending on what type of trader you are. But let me pull up that chart right quick. As you can see in the 4 hour chart, I've drawn this upward channel pattern. On the bottom blue line, I've drawn circles to show you guys the touch points that Bitcoin has been having. We've had about 3 to 4 touch points. After the third touch point is always pretty much, well, not considered, but it's a saying in the trading world that after the third touch point, that means it's a bullish trajectory. As far as the macros go, that can kind of change the trajectory of where Bitcoin can go. As you can see, I've drawn like an N-like scribble in between those lines, in between that channel, just to show you guys a prediction that I've drawn where Bitcoin's price can touch next. We could actually touch that 78,000 to 80,000 level as seen drawn. We can continue that upward trajectory, or we can still take a slight dip, maybe down to the 65,000 support level, depending on the macro events like the Clarity Act and the war in Iran and etc. But what's your thoughts? This is a pattern that I've drawn. Nothing's certain in Bitcoin. Anything can go. But I would like to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions on these patterns that I've drawn. Do you guys feel like there's other patterns to be drawn? Are these patterns that you see yourself drawn as well? But let me know your opinion. Please drop a like, please comment and subscribe, and you guys have a good one.